What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gat Talks. Today we are going to be taking a quick look and a basic review of the Z7 fitness tracker, IP68 waterproof, so it's professional waterproof smartwatch. This smartwatch can go for under $20, so anywhere between $15 to $20. If you guys are interested in purchasing this watch after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link in the video description below, and it will take you to eBay and trust the sellers, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys have not yet already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel or like this video, as that will allow me to keep bringing you guys free content on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. And if you guys are a retailer or a manufacturer and would like me to do a review on your products, you can also leave me a comment in the video description below and I will get back to you guys promptly. Now let's get started. Let's see what this watch has to offer for under $20. So this watch comes with a detachable watch band, and it has a few variations of the color and the watch band for this watch. So it has quite a few variations, but this one is one of them. It's the black and red version. And let's take a look at some of the features that this watch comes with. So this watch comes with a fairly small screen. There's quite a bit of smartwatches in almost the same style as this one, and this one has a relatively smaller screen comparing to other watches such as the W34 or the IWO 8. And this watch is definitely a lot more basic than some of those other watches. First of all, this watch does not come with a full touchscreen. So what that means is you can only press this little button right here for you to browse through the functions of the watch. I do like the resolution of the screen, but you know, the graphics aren't like too amazing. So let's see if this watch comes with different watch faces. So this is one of the default watch faces of the watch. If you want to switch watch faces, what you have to do is you long press this button on your current watch face, and it will switch you to another watch face. And then long press again if you want to switch to another watch face. So it only comes with 3 actually. 1, 2, and 3 here. And then we're gonna loop back around to our original watch face here. So not too many, but you know, 3 is pretty standard for a watch that goes for under $30. And this one's able to do it for under $20. Now let's go through some of the functions on this watch. What you have to do is just short press this button right here, and it'll take it to another function. This will be the pedometer, which will keep track of your steps. Same thing, but keeps track of your distance. Calories. You have different sport modes, so you can explore the different sport modes that you are in by long pressing on the sport mode itself. If you are running, then you select run. Let's see. Let's go back to the sport modes. So I want to get out of this function over here. Okay. You have badminton, climbing, so just the different sport modes. Now let's go back. This is something that I really don't like about having just a one touch button, because you're gonna have to long press and you're just gonna have to find your way a little harder than having a full touchscreen smartwatch, which is kind of awkward sometimes, but I mean, you know, you kind of just get what you paid for. Now let's resume back to the heart rate function. If you want to use the heart rate function, You can just long press it, and then you see how the screen, the sensor comes on. Now for time's sake, I'm actually not going to take a BPM reading right now. Let's get out of here. Long press to get out of here. Blood pressure, which is pretty cool. For something that's about $20, it comes with a blood pressure monitor. But of course, these are not medical devices, so you do not want to completely trust the readings on these fitness trackers, especially if you have a condition. And then you're going to have your message notifications. Now the camera is getting blurry, but that's pretty much the end of the functions on this watch. Now, do I think this watch is worth $20? I think so. Especially if you're just looking for something really basic and kind of, decent looking at the same time. I think this watch does that. You do want to cross-reference how accurate the fitness tracking functions are before relying on them any further. But overall, I think this is a pretty nice looking watch for $20. And if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link in the video description below. And I will see you guys next time.